The third thing you can do with Equilibri is generate a report. So when you generate a report, it's going to generate a PDF containing all the information you've retained. So for example, the different sections and how long they last, the comments we've written, the resources we've identified, the priorities we've identified, the most energetic or least energetic organs, the most agitated or least agitated organs, the organs that are in coherence, the meridians, the TCM recipes, etc. You'll then be able to choose whether or not you'd like to generate a report. You can then choose to add or remove sections by clicking on the section types, which will bring out little tools. But you can also choose to share them directly. So if you share the PDF, it will open the share box and you can send it by WhatsApp or SMS or your messaging service. If you click on PDF file, it'll let you save it. So if you're on a computer, you'll see that I can save it directly. And if you're on a phone or an iPad, it'll save it in your files. And you can also print it directly. When you click on print, if you're on a computer, it brings up the print box. And if you're on a mobile phone, it'll suggest you print it if there's a compatible printer on your network. So this PDF report includes all the information you've got. And if you've made any comments on any of the sections, you'll find them there.